Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, welcome back to Electropixels. In today's video, we are troubleshooting and repairing a 32-inch Sony LED TV that exhibits a continuous restart issue followed by a 6x LED blink error code. As discussed in our previous videos, this type of protection-triggered restart is commonly associated with backlight or inverter-related faults. During observation, it is clearly noticeable that at startup the upper section of the panel backlight dims, after which the TV immediately shuts down and restarts, eventually entering the 6-blink protection mode. After detailed inspection and testing, the LED backlight strips were confirmed to be electrically normal. The root cause was identified in the LED inverter/backlight driver section of the main motherboard. This fault occurs due to false triggering of the backlight protection circuit, which causes the system controller to shut down the TV to prevent perceived overcurrent or open load conditions. To resolve this issue, we performed a controlled modification on the inverter IC. Here you can see the LED inverter IC, in which the second pin functions as the backlight protection feedback pin. By carefully isolating the protection pin from the PCB trace, the erroneous protection signal is prevented from reaching the system control circuit. Using a precision cutting blade, we cut the PCB track connected to the second pin, effectively disabling the backlight protection input. The modification has now been completed. Let us power on the TV and verify the results. As you can observe, the TV now powers on normally. The backlight is stable, uniformly illuminated across the entire panel, and the display output is clear with no dimming or flickering. The auto restart issue and 6x blinking error have been successfully eliminated. This confirms that the fault was due to a malfunctioning protection feedback circuit rather than a defective LED backlight. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe.